The OBD2 port in a Nissan Murano II from 2008 to 2015 is located under the driver's side dashboard. Look below the steering column to the left of the pedals near the fuse box or brake pedal area. It's generally 12 to 18 inches from the floor. No tools are typically needed to access it. OBD2, or Onboard Diagnostics 2, is a standardized system that gives access to your vehicle's computer system. It continuously monitors emissions, engine performance, and safety systems to ensure proper operation. The OBD2 port is where you connect a scanner to access this information. Through the port, you can read diagnostic trouble codes, view live sensor data, and clear codes when issues are resolved. A scanner tool connects to the port, helping with troubleshooting problems and performing routine maintenance. This makes vehicle diagnostics accessible for both professionals and DIY users. Nissan Murano II's OBD2 port location is considered user-friendly. Unlike some vehicles where the port is hidden behind panels requiring tools, the Murano's placement allows for easy access, reducing diagnostic time. This design complies with federal standards. To connect a scanner to the OBD2 port, first ensure the ignition is turned off to prevent any electrical issues. Then, plug in a compatible scanner into the port. The port connects to the vehicle's Controller Area Network, or CAN bus, which handles communication between vehicle systems. Make sure your scanner supports the ISO 91412 and CAN protocols, which are standard for the Nissan Murano II. You can use an OBD2 scanner to perform DIY emission checks. For example, you can diagnose a P0300 code, which indicates a random misfire, and potentially identify a faulty spark plug yourself, saving on mechanic fees. Many users share their experiences and tips on online forums. OBD2 technology is evolving towards integration with autonomous vehicle technologies and IoT. Modern scanners offer enhanced features like real-time fuel efficiency tracking and integration with smartphone apps via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Potential issues with the OBD2 port include corrosion or damage that can interfere with scanner connections. Regularly inspect the port to ensure it remains functional. Although less common on the Murano II, check for any obstructing wires that might cause damage.